Hey guys, want to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is click on the link in the description below where it says click here to become eligible for the free money giveaway. Once you follow those instructions, and when I reach 6,000 subscribers, 2 people will get a chance to win the free money. So go ahead and click on the link, follow those instructions, and help me get to 6,000 subscribers. Now let's get into this video. This is AppGrind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to AppGrind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $5 every minute uploading videos for free. Now, if you're new to my channel, as you can see here, I make a lot of videos about making money online. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So it'll be in your best interest right now to hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And please give me a like. It really helps out my channel, and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about what I'm discussing today in this video. Okay guys, we have a week and a half to go until the end of this month of February, and I'm trying to get to 6,000 subscribers so I can give away this free money. As you saw at the beginning of the video, I'm still doing the free money giveaway. So you new guys that's just popping up here on one of my videos, if you want to get a chance to win some free money, please click on that link in the description below and help me get to 6,000 subscribers, because you could be the lucky winner. All right, please watch this video all the way to the very end, because something is going to pop up on the screen that will increase your chances of winning the free money. So without further ado, let me hop over here to the site and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it, family. Okay guys, I'm at this website, and the name of this website is Skillshare. Now, if you have never heard of this website before, it's a course website. So people make courses and put it on this website for people to come and learn about any type of field of work or any type of knowledge they want to learn. So people that have the knowledge, they make courses and put their courses on this website. But it's not just any regular course, it's videos. And that's what you're going to do, guys. You're going to put videos on this website, and every time people view your videos, you're going to make money every minute. So what I'm going to do is show you how you can get the video and upload it here on this site and start making money. And here's the best thing. You don't have to make the video at all. So I'm going to show you where you can get the videos already made. All you got to do is download those videos onto your computer, then upload them on this site right here and start making money. Now, first, let me go ahead and show you a little bit about this site and show you what you're going to be uploading, what type of videos you're going to be uploading. Well, the best videos you should be uploading on here that will get a lot of people to watch the video, because Skillshare is going to bring you organic traffic. Now, once you come here, we're going to scroll down here, and we're going to click where it says become a teacher. So it says here, when you help others along their creative journey, it's rewarding to move ways than one. By teaching on Skillshare, you can grow your online following, give back, and earn money. Top earning teachers make $100,000 a year, guys. And let me show you something else. So right here it says start earning. You'll be paid monthly for every member who watches your classes forever. So you're going to be uploading these videos. It's going to be like a class or tutorial that people are going to be watching. So what I'm going to do is show you where you're going to be able to get these videos, because you're probably wondering where you're going to get these videos. You don't know anything about teaching or making tutorials, so you don't have to worry about that. So what I'm going to do is take you to a website where they have the videos already made for you. So let me go to that website right now. Okay guys, I'm at the next website, and the name of this website is Render Forest. So once you come to this website, we're going to go ahead and click where it says create video, and it's going to take you to this page. And then the next thing you're going to do is look for whiteboard videos. So we're going to click here. It's going to take you here, and you're going to go ahead and create a video. It's going to take you to this page, and all you have to do is click on load a preset. So choose from ready-made stories. So these videos are already pre-made and ready for you to download and use, guys. So we're going to click there, click on create, and here all the ready-made videos right here already ready. So let's say you want to put a video on Skillshare about business training courses. So we can click right here and click there. Boom. So it's already showing you everything you want to know about business training courses. Let me go ahead and stop this. So guys, this is already showing you how business training courses works. So they have it already set out for you. The video has already been made, and all you have to do is click right here. Sorry about that. Let me go back. Click right here where it says use ready story. You click right there. You better download it. Take that story, go to Skillshare, and upload it onto your account. That's all you have to do, guys. It's very, very simple. I mean, it's some steps you got to take, but it's very simple. I mean, you're going to start making some money with them just watching these type of tutorial videos. If you want to go ahead and change it, all you have to do, let me pull it up again. All you have to do is click right here. All right, so now it popped up where you can edit. So you can put any type of words you want to put on here, or anything on each clip. So if you have some knowledge of this, you can just go ahead and add it on here, and you'll be teaching people what you know about business courses. Now, this is just an example. You can use any one of those tutorials that they have on there. They have several of them. Okay, guys, so that's the steps. That's all you have to do. So if you're ready to go ahead and get started, go to Skillshare and sign up, and then go to Render Forest and go ahead and get that whiteboard animation video. Pick any one you want, download it, then upload it to Skillshare, and watch this money start rolling in from people watching the videos. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions at all about this method. And please share this video all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video all the way to this point. So for all you guys that did, what I need you to do is type this number that's going to pop up on the screen right now. It's going to increase your chances on winning the free money once I hit 6,000 subscribers. And also, I just want to say thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. So it lets me know that who are really watching my videos all the way to the end and not clicking off halfway. So now you know the whole method, and plus you're going to get a chance to win the free money. So that's it guys. Thanks again. And one other thing I'm going to do is do a shout out. So I want to put this comment up on the screen right now. So thank you for your comment, really appreciate it. Hope you're a subscriber, and I hope you share this video, and let's get to 6,000 subscribers. As I always say, this is not my channel, this is you guys' channel, this is our channel, and we're trying to go to the top, so let's keep going. Alright guys, that's it. Thanks again, really appreciate you guys' support. One more thing before I go, get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Peace, and have a prosperous day. Be safe out there.
Get your grind on, yeah. Get your grind on, yeah. Get your grind on.